All right, so we are back home right now. Let me switch this over. There we go. Okay, so we got the charts up on this new. I'm just trying to make sure that my face cam's not lagging at all. No, everything looks right. All right, perfect. Um, so we saw this break of structure on the 5 minute. We are just coming out of this lunch hour, so could see a move here. Want to see us retrace above this equilibrium. Maybe tap into this very small fair value gap. I just don't want to draw it out because it's very small and probably insignificant. What's more significant here is going to be this order block. So if we can get into this order block, then we would be looking pretty good for shorts. So that's what I want to see. We can rebalance this price range, and honestly, if we take a trade up up around here, we don't really have to go too far. So we're gonna have a 6 point stop loss. We just need 18 points. Not even gonna lie. Might even take it down to here, just to this fair value gap. I mean, that's not gonna be a bad setup there. Are we still behind? I'm still trying to figure out this face cam, so just give me a little bit. Does that sort of help a little bit? I think maybe. Hopefully that helps. Maybe that works. Does that? No, we're still delayed. Um, are we delayed now? Yeah. Fuck. Are we still delayed? No, we're a lot closer. Okay. Hopefully this audio isn't abysmal. We're delayed again. Like, I don't understand this damn camera. Do not understand it at all. help at all. Honestly, don't know if it's doing anything. We'll have to see. But it looks like we're getting a strong move up, which is good to see. We can take this off because we're watching it now. We can take this off. We already broke structure. Kind of want to just get rid of this. We still got, like, the fair value gap's still there, but having the box there doesn't really do much for us. Now we're above that equilibrium. So I want to see. Hopefully we can tap into this 5-minute order block. It's looking like we might form a 1-minute fair value gap as well. Just based off of this one candle. There we go, we're in that order block. Hopefully we can see a bearish move out of this. I don't really want to see us push much higher than that high we just put in. We did just form this fair value gap here. Right now our entry would be down here. I'm gonna close underneath this fair value gap. It's not ideal, but it doesn't violate the 5-minute order block just yet. If we get a 5-minute close above it, then I say we're cooked for the day. We also did just form this fair value gap. So now we can move this up here. Do have an SMT getting put in if we can stay below this low. Doesn't really look like that's what we want to do though. Also just formed this. We're really extended on this. I would not be surprised if we could fall from here. It's tricky with 3 fair value gaps. Right all in line. I think I'm still gonna keep my entry down here. Now we could technically enter here, but with these 2 fair value gaps here, probably best to stay away from all that. Wait till we get a little bit more confirmation. If we can form this bearish fair value gap, then I'll think about entering on that retest, but we're drawing too many boxes at that point. Low key, we close bullish on this candle. That gives us a 1 minute low. Did no change. Actually, you can see up here. Oh, it went away. Up here, just look at this number right here. So it says plus 0.25. So technically, up close candle. Technically, if you want to be really technical. Testing that fair value gap. Not gonna lie, if we trade above this high here and close like a 5 minute candle up here, I'm probably gonna be done. Still would like to enter on the close below this fair value gap. Okay. So we're in it. I'll take it down to this 5 minute fair value gap. Okay, that's fine. Switch this back to 2. Gonna buy 1 back here. We gonna buy 1. That would be 2R. And then here's gonna be our break even. We're gonna move this break even if we trade below here. Hopefully we can see some volatility through this lower fair value gap here. We tested it, sort of traded a little bit higher, but nothing that violated this newly formed bearish fair value gap. Hopefully we can just see some momentum to the downside coming through this gap. Not to the upside, I said to the downside. So we're testing this fair value or this inverse gap. It's a good reaction coming off of that. Not gonna lie, 5 minutes moving kind of iffy. We did have this 5 minute gap get formed here. We tested down into it. We're not exploding higher, but we still could potentially move higher. Which is obviously not going to be good as we're in shorts right now, but yeah, that's not good. We're about to get stopped out for sure. I hate when we just dance around with my stop loss. Yeah, we're about to get stopped out. Just either stop me out or like just move somewhere. I hate watching this. Don't give me hope. Don't give me hope. we just move somewhere? Like, could we go somewhere? Don't tell me we're back. It was a not gonna lie, it wasn't a horrible entry. It was a premature entry. I said I would close if we, or I said I would enter the position if we closed underneath this, and then we jumped above it last second. So that's sort of what I get for entering early, having to deal with that. But I mean, it's looking like we're back. Unless this is a reclaimed bullish fair value gap, of course. I mean, we might be back. Hopefully that one doesn't get violated. If that one does, we might be cooked. Oh. Trade below this low. Just trade below this low, please. Give me a little bit of hope. Now this one might be an emotional decision, but we'll move it to half first once we get there. Half risk would be the midpoint of that of this 1 minute gap. Thank God. Oh my gosh, we might be back. God I took this on ES. There's no way I would have had enough room. Yeah, my stop would have been 82. It would be. I know we might have had enough room on here. This 5 minute chart is sloppy as hell. This is not at all what you want to enter on. Not at all. But shit, as long as we keep this 5 minute candle below here, we should be straight. If we just stay outside of this 1 minute, we'll form that fair value gap. Then we can get up out of here. This is an emotional roller coaster right now. Just give us like a good fucking break lower, please. Just give us a good break. There we go. No, don't do that. Don't do that. I think I am still going to move it to half risk just because we traded underneath this equilibrium. So half risk is right there. I'm sick. Alright, well, let's say fuck that. Get rid of that. So we definitely hit that half risk mark. So that's good. If this smacks TP, this is going to be insane. I might actually lose my mind if this hits. If this hits TP. The fact that we're even up money right now is like ridiculous. We have absolutely no business of trading above this high unless we're going to trade above these highs. So I'm comfortable with my stop being there. Obviously, I hope it doesn't get hit, but I mean, that's what it's there for. That's not good. You got a 1 minute SMT. Hopefully, we can violate that bullshit. Okay, so we did open this 5 minute candle right at the low of this fair value gap that we were worried about. Seem to be respecting the midpoint of this gap. is not good. We are solidifying this 5-minute SMT, which is not good at all. Like, not one bit. I think we're going to get stopped out here pretty soon. But at least we were able to reduce risk and get it to halfway.
Goes to
No. Can we just like move lower, please? This one's about to be just as long as the morning session that I recorded. I don't even think I'm gonna upload that with how long this one is. So that's good. That sound right there just means that Nasdaq traded underneath this low, which violates that 5-minute SMT. That's actually really good for us. Hopefully now we can catch a little bit of momentum to the downside. I'm telling you, if we end up making money off of this trade, y'all better subscribe, follow, whatever platform you're on. You better subscribe, follow, whatever. If this hits TP, shit. Even if this shit hits break even, we were. What is a high rate here? We were half a point away from getting stopped out. Half a point. And now we're in profit. It's insane work right there. Insane. Now, granted, it was a bad entry, but we can put that past us for now. We need like a solid move in this next minute. Violate this 5-minute gap, and then it's just free fall to this break even point. Need a strong move this minute. Break that fucking 5-minute fair value gap. Shit, I gotta poop. Alright. I think I'm going to watch this on my iPad. Wherever my iPad is. It's in my room, I think. So So I'm gonna watch this on my iPad. Don't really have to do anything until break even gets hit. Once break even gets hit, then we're just moving the stop loss, and then everything else is already set up how we need it. So just watch this. I'll be right back in like 10 minutes. Let me 32.96. That was a good move to move my stop. Gotta be happy about that at least. Fuck. It's a first loss of the month, by the way. First loss of the month. We are down 32.96 on the day. Down 32.96 on the week as well because we haven't traded. This is the first trade this week. But on the month, we're up 158.35. So not bad at all. Bad entry though. Bad entry. Definitely should not have been trading the afternoon session. I never do trade the afternoon session, but today I did. And I got bit in the ass for it, but it was almost great. Almost great. Still think we're gonna go down here, but we lost our money today, so let's just stay off. Stay off of here. Alright, we'll catch y'all.